Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter T. There are not so much variants of the letter T because that's basically just one single stroke here and a crossbar here at your line height. That's most of the time you will have it. So, but you can have it the crossbar. That's where variety starts. You can have it a little bit longer, like this, or even something like this. Depends on your lettering and what's in there. Or it can even be something like this, or even bigger one. Like this. Let's try it with a brush pen now. You need to start a little bit higher than your line height. Just a single stroke and a crossbar here like this. Start a little bit higher, go down, go up, and a bigger crossbar. You can have a little swash here as well. And let's try something more wild. For this one I will need to change the angle of the brush, and it will look something like this. I think you will get it more when we get down to practice. And we will practice on 3 words, and the first one would be the word team. Start a little bit higher. T, E, A, and M. I like to make this crossbar the last thing in the lettering, because that's when you know where you can stop your this crossbar part. You can make it small, but for this one we will make it really big. Let's try this one out. Yes, that's nice. Add a little bit volume here, a little bit here to cut the corners. Okay, and probably some more in here. Yeah, that looks nice and gives you an idea of how to use this crossbar across the whole word. The second word would be time. We will use the straight style. T-I-M. And E. Like this. Now it's lime, but you can turn it into time in no time using this crossbar like this. Yes, that looks nice. And for the next one I will use my pencil to sketch a little bit, and yeah, I will tell you how we can connect it, the crossbar, to the other letters. The word would be top, and we'll see how this one will turn out. Okay, and we will use this marker that was made initially for children, but I'm a big fan of it because you can make different kind of strokes with it, really thick ones and thin ones, depending on what angle are you using it. Okay, that's a T, then we will connect it with the O here. Okay, that's looking nice yet. O with the connection, a little drop up top here and here as well. And we should make kind of like this angle here. Okay, and B side. And a little bit more weighting here, and you see here there's a slightly bigger hole, but we can fill it in with this little guy here. Okay, that's how you draw the letter T. And actually we can add a little bit extra here. Okay, yes, that's more like it.